I tell her, baby, 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 I'm a fireball.
It's so boring. Aliya, I am so sleepy. Do you mind if we play some song?
Yes, let's do it.
Yes, I bring my speaker. Can you please Bluetooth it and play the playlist of perfect song?
Okay, wait for a minute.
Capacitance of a capacitor.
Why does it sound so weird?
Yeah, it's like a broken speaker.
Yes, I heard a lot of cracking sound.
Hi guys, what are you doing?
Hi, Aina. Look, I think my speaker is broken.
Are you sure?
Yeah, when I play it, it was creaking sound. Do you want to hear it? Wait.
Yes.
See?
Oh my god, it sounds monotone.
Yeah, just now it was creaking and now it's monotone. I think it is broken already.
I think it used only permanent magnet.
Permanent magnet?
Yes, that's why it sounds like that.
In speaker we have magnet?
Of course it have. That's why I think in this speaker it just only use permanent magnet because in permanent magnet it will only have constant magnetic field. That's why end up it will produce monotone voice.
Oh, I see.
So we cannot play any song?
Don't worry guys, I have this. Shopee, please sponsor me.
Wow, is that your new speaker?
Yes, you want to try it?
Yes, can I open the perfect song?
Yes, sure.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right
Wait. I just still don't get it. Why we need two magnet to produce a great sound?
Let me explain it to you.
The magnet in a speaker is positioned around the voice coil and tube. The quality and type of magnet used is neodymium, which influence the speaker's performance.
I still don't get it. Why is the magnet so important in the speaker? And what if there is no magnets in the speaker?
Let's meet tonight and we will do a simple simulation. This is our result.
Yeah, carry on my laptop.
Try to play it. Can you hear it? It's here.
Yeah, great.
A typical speaker has two magnets, which is permanent magnet and electromagnet. So, when the current flows into the coil, it will create a changing in the magnetic field. So, the interaction between permanent magnet and electromagnet, or known as temporary magnet, will create Lorentz force.
Lorentz force function in moving the diaphragm in and out. This motion vibrates the air and creates a stable sound.
So, this interaction between the two magnets is very important for producing a stable sound because it lets the diaphragm to move with a correct amplitude.
Okay. So even the speakers in the lecture halls, malls, cafes and mosques even works in the same way. Now I know what will happen if there's no magnet in the speaker. There's no sound produced.